Hello, my name is Taylor Weatherby, and I'm going to show you my final project for eTech 7. One of the technologies I used for this project is Google Classroom. Google Classroom has a lot of benefits that fit what were in my classroom. It is very easy to use for the teacher and the student. You have the freedom to leave comments and have discussions about what you are looking for. My students can log on to Google Classroom from home on their computer or their phone, whichever is for them. So for the students that miss school for extracurricular activities, it is convenient for them to just log on from their phone instead of having to bear with them. Here's the rubric I used to evaluate Google Classroom. I believe Google Classroom met the excellent condition on all of the subjects. The second technology I used was Kahoot. Kahoot is a game-based learning platform that makes it easy to share and play learning games or trivia games in minutes. The format and number of questions is up to you. You can add videos and image diagrams to your questions to amplify engagement. All my students have used Kahoot a number of times, but I did add on how to play live Kahoot games, how to create a Kahoot on your computer, and how to help learners become learners in classroom. Ideas for using Kahoot in the classroom. Here is the rubric I used for Kahoot. I believe on of the criterias, Kahoot met excellent. On 3 of them, they met good. For my other technologies I used PowerPoint as well as Quizlet to complete this assignment. In this, kids will have already completed training on how to use all of these technologies. The instructional objectives for my lesson is Digital Marketing Introduction for a semester unit of digital marketing. The lesson specifics are explain why organizations use e-commerce, explain the concept of e-commerce, job functions and responsibilities for those employed in e-commerce, trade and history of e-commerce, explain career opportunities in digital marketing, as well as evaluate methods in which data can be segmented. The objectives are understanding the basics of digital marketing, knowledge of all digital marketing channels, determine the difference between traditional marketing and versus digital marketing. The intended audience for this is 9th through 12th grades. On day 1, they will log on to their Google Classroom, and I've also put on the syllabus and introduction information, but they will click on the first one and pull up the PowerPoint that has the information from this first unit, and also has a video on YouTube about a short video on about digital. They will have notes for digital marketing that are on a Google Docs. That way they can just share it with me in Google Classroom. Day 2, they will answer the bell ringer that is on Google Classroom and present digital marketing all in the digital scavenger hunt that is also on Google Classroom. They will, on day 3, play a Kahoot with just themselves and a Quizlet with themselves. Then together we will use Kahoot to quiz each other and determine where we need to go back and look at stuff. I have added Kahoot, though it looks like they will sign in because they've all already been on Kahoot, or if they hadn't and you have a new student, they will go to sign for Kahoot and be able to put in their information to join us in the game. The application was created using Google Classroom, Google Docs, Kahoot, and Screencastify. Thank you.